Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Supabase to N8N. First, go to the N8N platform and click on Add First tab. Then search for Supabase and click on it to begin setting up the connection. Now click on Create a New to set up a new action. After that, click on Select Credential and then choose Create New Credential. Here, you need to enter the host address from your Supabase account followed by the service role secret to allow secure access. Once both fields are filled, click on Save. Then, turn the toggle on for using a custom scheme if needed. After that, select the resource tab, such as a row or custom API call depending on what you want to do. Then, choose the operation like create, delete, or get. Now, enter the table name or ID where you want the data to go. Next, decide what data to send by selecting the option to auto-map input data to the columns. You can also specify any inputs to ignore if needed. Once everything is ready, go back and check to make sure your Supabase connection is working properly in N8N. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.